Okay guys, this the waves and tsunami competition. And small wave reaching 100 meters and standard wave reaching 2 meters. Next, big wave reaching 5 meters. Next, and this thing, Indonesia tsunami 2080 reaching over the earthquake 7.5 caused than 6 meter tsunami. Wait. This one.
You know the earthquake in
2007.
Cebu.
2007. And small meteor that look like size of a football hit Earth in 2007 causing a 12 meter tsunami. 1998 tsunami and 15 meter tsunami. 2022 tsunami causing a thing of a 20 meter tsunami. Largest wave ever suffered. And man world record that giant wave that is reaching over 24 meters. Next, the Indonesia. Oh no. Indian Ocean Tsunami 2004. An earthquake of an 9.5 or 9.1 and reaching about to 9.3 earthquake caused an 30 meter tsunami. One of the most deadliest tsunami recorded on history, killing over 230 meters. Maximum height 30 meters. Okay, and this one. Year 2011, and 9 MW earthquake started, causing over
No ka muna water.
causing an over 14.5 meter tsunami, taller than the Poseidon or other ships, killing over 20,000 people. Next, the April Fool's tsunami.
April Fools. What year is that?
1956.
Oh my God.
Caused an 50 meters tsunami and Frank tsunami. But this caused it. And next, wait. This in the year of 1883, Cartota tsunami reaching over and wave that is reached and this wave 46 meters tsunami that is over might be reaching that one in the year 1883. Let's go back to that 70 meter tsunami. Oh wait. Even that one had made the loudest sounds on Earth history. 70 meter back caused an 70-meter tsunami, but forgot the year. And this one, the mega tsunami time. 66 million years ago, a meteor hit Earth 10 kilometers to 15 kilometers. Hit Earth over in New Mexico, causing over an 100-meter average height, that killing over all of the dinosaurs. Okay. Mountain Sand Tsunami.
Ano yan?
The Mountain Sand Tsunami. The Mountain Sand eruption did, causing by the Japan reaching over 130 meters, then near 700s. Oh, near 1,700. Killing over 22,000 people. Next, in 1980 of the U.S. tsunami, causing a 200-meter tsunami that is almost reaching a big tall city that almost height like that, and
You hold it.
and was near 1980.
Yan na lang.
And next, in 1963, a tsunami comes with a landslide of 50 million meters of slug. Oh, that one. Causing a 250 meter. That's 50 meter taller than the 1980 tsunami.
Drink water.
Next.
Next is what?
The Lituya Bay Tsunami. In 1958, before even that tsunami, an 8.8 earthquake started, or 7.7 earthquake, caused a landslide, causing a 524 tsunami on Alaska.
Alaska?
In USA. That is the largest tsunami recorded on history, or the biggest tsunami on USA. Next one. 1.5 million years ago, something happens. Landslide or volcano eruption started, causing a 600-meter tsunami in Hawaii.
Hawaii.
That is almost reaching North America. Next, 1.5 kilometers tsunami. That is the same height of the 2012 tsunami. The crater height reaching over that. That is bigger than the tallest building. Next.
Dami mo naman alam na tsunami.
Next, the 15 kilometer tsunami, same as that one, equal. Instead of even the biggest tsunami movie, and 4.6 kilometers tsunami. Nowhere to expect how big is that. Bye!
Saan mo ba natutunan yan? Where did you learn that?
Bye!
Bye.